Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How is everyone? Today we are going to do the comprehension that has been taken from your textbook, Oxford English and International Approach. The name of today's comprehension is Captured, and the pages are 142 till 143, and the unit number is 9. These are the learning objectives for your today's comprehension. Here glossary has been given of difficult words for your better understanding of this text. Hopefully this will be helpful for you. Now come towards the main points about this text. This text has been extracted from the book Sing Down the Moon, and the writer of this book is Scott Odell. This is children's literature book and it was published in 1970. The following text is set in the early 1860s in the United States. In this extract, we will read about a young Navajo girl whose name is Bright Morning and who has been captured by Spanish slavers. The Spanish slavers are negotiating her price with the white landowner, who is a lady. At the time in which the story is set, the Navajo people were being driven from their lands and their communities broken up. And many people were captured by the Spanish slavers during this time. Now we will discuss about a little bit Navajo, who Navajo are, and the period of 1860s in which the story is set. The Navajo were known for being fierce warriors. They often raided New Mexican Indians, Spanish settlers, and settlements. The 1860s was the start of a dark period in the history of Navajo. Americans moved into their homeland, and thousands of Navajo were captured and killed before the remaining tribe members were forced to walk from Winter Rock, Arizona to New Mexico, a distance of over 300 miles. Approximately 200 Navajo died on this forced march. So the story is about a young girl who has been captured during this dark period in 1860s in the history of Navajo. Bright Morning was captured by Spanish slavers. After being captured, she was kept in a room where she met with another girl whose name was Rosita. Bright Morning was very warmly welcomed by Rosita. Bright Morning developed a sort of friendship with Rosita, and she told her about the beautiful place she belonged to. The name of that beautiful place is Canyon de Chelly. Rosita told about their mistress to Bright Morning, that she was a kind lady, and her husband also. Her mistress negotiated with the Spaniard for her price. The Senora paid a good amount to buy Bright Morning from Spaniard, as she was tall and beautiful. After being bought, she was shifted to another room to live there. So this is all about the extract, the story of young girl, Bright Morning. Now we move toward the assignment. Here are few questions given. The first question is, you have to tell about the language the writer has used to describe the country of Bright Morning in lines number 17 till 22. Question number 2 is about the prepositions. You have to find out 5 prepositions from the lines 42 till 49, and you have to use them in your own sentences. Now come to question number 3. What happens to bright morning in the opening of the extract? This question is about how the white landowner behaved with bright morning in the opening of the text. Now come to question number 4. What kind of work will bright morning be required to do while being present by the white landowner? So that's all for your today's work. Thank you.